this hard on myself, yeah, yeah. Don't like asking for help, yeah, yeah. Maybe it's an excuse, so I don't get closer. I don't get closer to you.
Probably in hell, a dumbass not know. Yeah, we show flow, but where? It's like God don't care. But where do we go from here? It's like life ain't fair. Confused, tired, sold out. Back with all kinds of fears. So much tears, most of them sold out. Can't hold out, can't change time, can't go pop. I miss my man Pop. Let's roll out. Life don't dare, crooked cap. What he's thinking? Racist, yeah. Time don't change. Look at these innocent kids' faces. What the hell is wrong with us? Can't get out of the lane or catching cases. Burden every day. Not one of us is strong enough. We be hurting every day. Plus this bullshit must be one big bluff. What we be facing, COVID-19, like Freddy is fighting Jason. It's like nothing you have ever seen. What's it to you? Must struggle, cause of them. It's all about the green, boo. I must get these drugs and guns to the border. Swear to God, I do this for my son and daughter. I must get these drugs and guns to the border. Swear to God, I do this for my son and daughter. The hell with the new world order.
Yeah, yeah. Don't like asking for help, yeah, yeah. Maybe it's an excuse, so I don't get closer. I don't get closer to you.
Plus, dear mama, these cops don't understand me. They hate me and not really family. How could daddy be left us alone in a world so sad as me? Plus, I come from a broken family. Drug dealers and thugs and G's. I know it's sad, but it is what it is, what meant to be. Most of us don't make it to 23. 13 years old, already smoking trees. Dropped out of high school, doing robberies. Don't master me, it's hard out here. Can you see? If you're not tough, they pull your card out here. Here, to be drunk can't steer, but I see the border lights. Must win, can't lose tonight. Been in many fights, light the cigarette up. What the fuck? 3 more miles, plus no cops. Safety belt on, feeling so strong. This shit is so wrong. Take a sip from the Hennessy, it's not really a friend of me. This thug life will be the death of me. Take a sip of the Hennessy, it's not really a friend of me. This thug life will be the death of me. Wanna pass that 33. Wanna pass that borderline, you see.
It's hard on myself, yeah, yeah. Don't like asking for help, yeah, yeah. Maybe it's an excuse, so I don't get closer. I don't get closer to you.